of year again, and Halloween is just around the corner. In this video, I have a really fun Halloween project for you. I'm making a no-sew candy bowl, and even though there's no sewing to it, it is made completely of fabric scraps, which is always a good thing. Here's the short supply list you'll need to make this bowl. You need fabric scraps of Halloween colors and prints. You'll need a glass or plastic bowl, press and seal cling film, Mod Podge, and a paintbrush. Your fabric scraps can be any size from small to large, but you do need one piece that will cover the entire bowl because that will be the inside of the bowl. Turn the bowl upside down and cover it with press and seal. You want to make sure the entire bowl is covered. I used 2 sheets to cover mine, and I put the second piece in the opposite direction to make sure that the bowl was fully covered. Next, you'll paint the press and seal with Mod Podge, and don't be worried about how messy it looks. It will not affect the finished look. First, you want to put the large piece of fabric over the wet Mod Podge, but make sure that you put it upside down so that the inside of the bowl is going to look pretty. Cover the large fabric with Mod Podge, and then trim and place your fabric scraps, overlapping the edges and painting them with Mod Podge. Continue this until the entire bowl is covered. Once the bowl is covered with fabric scrap, paint it one more time with Mod Podge. Let the bowl dry overnight and then pull the fabric bowl out of the regular bowl. Trim the upper edge of the bowl if you want to. I trimmed mine, but I didn't trim it evenly because I wanted it to have a little character. Once the bowl is finished, fill it full of wrapped candy and you're ready for the trick-or-treaters. Thanks for watching my video, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my Sewfeet YouTube channel. I hope your Halloween is fun and full of candy.